The Poor Scholar and the Minister's Daughter. In Chosun, Korea, there was once a government minister who had a beautiful daughter. When she came of age, the minister began to look for an intelligent young man to be her husband. Shortly afterwards, a young scholar came to see the minister to seek his daughter's hand in marriage. The minister, seeing his poor and shabby appearance, refused him immediately. However, as it was just past midday, he asked the young man to stay for lunch and had a table prepared for him, laden with the sumptuous dishes and expensive wines. The poor scholar's eyes opened wide at the sight of delicacies which he had never eaten or even seen before. However, he did not eat, but began to wrap up the food and put it in a bag he was carrying. Greatly surprised, the minister asked the young scholar why he was storing the food away instead of eating it. The young man replied, "I have never seen such fine dishes before, and so I am taking them home to give to my mother." The minister, deeply touched by the man's devotion, instantly changed his mind and gave him permission to marry his daughter. The young scholar was the famous Lee Won-ik and went on to become a government minister, like his father-in-law.